PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send cash for pickup here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the top left, press on the three horizontal lines. Then when you're in this page under Send and Pay, just scroll down and select Send for Cash Pickup and press on that. It'll then bring it to this page right here where you can go ahead and select the country that you'll be sending it to. So if I was sending this to just within Canada, for example, I'll go ahead and press on Canada. Now once this is done, you can see the currency conversion, how much money you'll be sending, how much money they'll be receiving in that currency. But under receiving options, I want you to go ahead and select cash pickup. So it's not available on amounts over 700. So if I were to go ahead and do this, I can just change the number here to, let's just say 500. There you go. I'll press on cash pickup and then I'll go ahead and press on next. So once you're on this page, you can go ahead and select the location. So in this case, it will be a RIA location. Money is available instantly during working hours. Hours may vary. Once that is done, go ahead and press on next. You can then go ahead and select the contact information. So the first name, last name, address, phone number, all this type of stuff. Once that is done, you can go ahead and press on next and then follow the next steps after that. So very simple, but that is how to send cash for pickup on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.